Hi little learners, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to trace some number names from 10 to 50. Let's start with the colors. This is red color, this is violet color, this is dark blue color, this is dark pink color, and this is dark green color. Let us start with the number names now. This is number 10. Number 10. And its spelling is T E N 10. Number 10. Then comes number 20. 2 0 20. T W E N T Y 20. Number 20. Then comes number 30. 3 0 30. T H I R T Y 30. Then comes 40. 40 40. 40 40. F O R T Y 40. Then comes number 50. 50 50. 5 0 50. FIF T Y 50. Number 50. 10 is TEN 10. 20 is TWENTY 20. 30 THIRTY 30. 40 FORTY 40. 50 FIFTY 50. Yay, we did it. If you have enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.